We are entering the matrix. AI simulations just reached a new level. This clip was generated by OpenAI's new model called Sora. And this clip was also generated by the same model. I've been working in tech for the past 5 years as a senior engineer, and this is the most impressive thing that I've ever seen. You can pray that it stops, that it doesn't advance further, but it's here and it's only gonna get bigger. So I'll tell you the 5 major areas that it will turn on its head. Number 1, once this model becomes public, you'll see a lot more automated YouTube channels that are fully AI generated. Those channels will be making $10,000 a month without breaking a sweat. And it already exists. You might have seen fully AI generated videos on YouTube, but what they're all missing is a face. Those channels don't have a face. There's no human connection. But now, this will change. They will be able to generate one. Number 2, personalized teachers in apps. You want to learn math from MrBeast? Or maybe get a chemistry lesson by PewDiePie? That's going to be possible now using the Sora model. Learning apps utilizing this tech are going to offer an experience that is similar to movies or video games. Number 3, people will make an AI clone of themselves or clones of celebrities or content creators. Image AIs can already do this, and videos are just collections of images. This means that everything that image AIs can do, videos will be able to do as well. Those clones will be used to record footage, attend meetings, they'll be used as assistants, and a wide other variety of applications. Number 4, every company will make ads just as good as Apple. Those who will make the most money from this AI are going to be businesses. So if you're selling a product online, this means that Sora is going to be a game changer for you. Yep, that's right. This means that all the drip shippers out there are very happy right now. Number 5, everyone will become a filmmaker. So there's a developer out there who's going to create an app on your phone that you can use to transform any video that you have. Look at this transition. This model took 2 videos, a video of a drone and a butterfly, and then it created a seamless blend by generating completely new frames. It's like having Steven Spielberg in your pocket. Young Benders, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to see more. Now if you want to be ready for AI opportunities whenever something new comes out, check out this video to learn how to build AI projects.